Welcome back, everyone. Alright, so today, on episode 2 of Integra Build, we're going to be installing this.
I've been zoning.
We got a fresh water pump, brand new oil pump, tensioner. We're going to use a little bit of downstar hardware. I didn't have that spring. There's the part number. If you don't have it and need it, I also did not have the bolt. So if you need that part number, there it is. So I guess let's get started. So I'm gonna set you up on my homemade little tripod right here, and we are going to get started. What you want to do is you want to make sure that your mating surface here is all nice and clean, and this one, thankfully, it is. So from here we're going to get you can use Honda Bond, or you can use like pretty much any gasket sealer will really technically work, which is not why I didn't go to Honda to get Honda Bond. I didn't really feel the need to. So get yourself some of this little bit of ultra gray, and there we go. Ooh, that one's flying. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna run a bead all the way around here, and then around in here. Now they're pretty sure there's a gasket for that. I gotta look real quick. Okay, so you don't have to run it around here. There is a gasket that goes around here. You can if you want to. I mean, I guess it doesn't really hurt to put a little bit of RTV on it. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, squeeze really tight and let loose. Oh, I think I put a little bit too much on this side. Oh yeah, I put way too much on this side. Oh well. Whatever squeezes out. Alright, so from here, we grab our well pump. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to line. There's it's like a little notch in here. Just line that up with the notch on your crank, the flat side over here. There's a flat side here. There's a flat side right there. So when you're lining it up, just do it before you stick it on. That way, as you're sticking it on, you're not trying to fumble around and trying to get it to go. Oh, I am doing it the wrong way already. Yeah, I guess it would help if I took this off. Hold on. Alright, now we're ready to go. There we go. I don't know what the hell that was. What the problem was there. And I didn't put the seal on. Cool. Right back off again. Okay, so don't do what I did. Don't put it on and then fight to get it on and realize that you forgot to put the seals on, so it would ended up leaking anyway. So you got to put your seals here, and then your, where the hell is it? Your seal for down here. So let me see. Put our little seal on here. So you take your little gasket, put it in here. There we go. And then you'll want to take this little gasket is for here. So, all right, let's try this again now. There we go. And that sucker's on there. All right, cool. So now, let me see if I can adjust the light a little bit so it's easier for me to see. Look at that, much better. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna take our downstar hardware, and we're gonna use the bigger bolts. Yes, the bigger ones. So, and these are your 12s right here. So you'll take these. And you're gonna use a 6mm Allen. You know what? I should probably go get some anti-seize. Probably should do that. So we'll be right back. All right. So you're gonna take your Allen, your bolt from downstar. Give you give you little washers. Don't fall. With these little washers. All right, bigger one goes on the bigger one, and these will be your 12mm. Grab your other one. All right, now on to the smaller ones. We have 3 more for that. We'll have 3 more for this. Well, 4 more. Sorry, there's 4. Not 3. Alright, so for those bigger ones, you have your 6mm. For your smaller one, you have, it's 5. All right, water pump is done. Well, oil pump is done now. So now, so we don't forget, let's slap this bad salad on there, and it does not fit. Cool. That's awesome. It doesn't fit. Sweet. Well, onto the water pump now. So let's turn the block over. Now remember guys, if you're washing car parts in the sink, don't tell the wife.
Don't tell the wife what?
No, but seriously fellas, if you're gonna do this stuff in the sink, clean your messes. Women in your life will kill you. Trust me, boys. Not worth dying over. Clean up your stuff. And if you just clean out the sink real quick, you'll never even know that you did it. Just cleaning this all off because the car I got it out of, it was like all caked with grease and it was like soaking in water, oil, and it was flooded, so it wasn't good sight, so I wanted to make sure that I got it all off before I put it into the engine, because I don't want to put dirty parts into a brand new engine. Now that the grease is all off, it's time to get the rust off. Follow me. It's dying. Keep going. Don't give up. I'm almost done. Oh. Ah, poopsicles.
Here we go.
Voila. That's so much nicer. So now we have to go quick wipe off all the dust off of it, all the if there's any metal fibers in there or anything like that, and then coat it with a little bit of oil, that way it doesn't flash rust on us, because it definitely will. Alright, so now that we're all done cleaning this all up, I can turn this light on. There we go. Now we have a little more light. All right. If you're gonna do this, coat it in oil. Otherwise, it's probably gonna flash rust if you're not, planning on using it right away. But just as like a good idea, just coat it in oil anyway. Because I may not put this thing in for like another, 2 months or so. So I don't know. So let's set you. And on that note, I wanted to thank everyone for watching, and we're out of here. Still here? Man, now we're out.